Are you looking for a way to add more intensity and fun to your workout routine? If so, partner exercises may be the answer. Partner exercises are great for challenging yourself, pushing each other to reach new goals, and having someone there to motivate you. With partner workouts, two people can double the work in half the time. It's an effective way for reaching your fitness goals faster. In this video, we will explore some partner exercises that you can do with a friend, spouse, or a family member using a simple concept of you go, I go. So let's come together and learn how partnering up during exercising can help you achieve success when it comes to partner exercises. When it comes to partner exercises, the possibilities are endless, especially with a simple concept of you go, I go, with essentially having one person going through one exercise while the other person is doing another exercise, resting or assisting. Partner exercises can be tailored to fit any fitness level or goal. Some popular exercises include resisted band pulls and jumping jacks, low plank, ladder drills, banded chest presses and fast feet, bear crawls, lunges, squats, push laterals, and knee slap mountain climbers, which we'll break down in a second. But before you dive in, it's important to make sure that you have an understanding, both of you, with all the exercises and necessary equipment that you may need when you're working out with somebody else. So, with that being said, here's a list of 5 great partner exercises you can do with as little as one large loop band, your body weight, and minimal space. Bear crawls and lunges. Partner 1 will start by doing the bear crawl while partner 2 is doing alternating standing lunges. Then you switch. Low plank ladder drills. Partner 1 will start by doing a low plank on their forearms while partner 2 is doing a ladder drill in between their legs. Partner resisted band pulls and jumping jacks. Partner 1 will start by pulling the band towards themselves using 2 hands, while the other partner is actually inside the loop band doing jumping jacks, working to stabilize their core as the partner 1 is pulling. Partner resisted banded chest press and fast feet. Partner 1 will stand by stepping into the band with both hands on the band, pressing the band outward like doing a push-up. Now, partner 2 will be outside the loop band, holding the band close to their bodies while moving their feet in and out in place, trying to stabilize their core as partner 1 is pushing out. Squat push laterals and knee slap mountain climbers. Partner 1 will start by doing the squat push laterals to a specific spot, similar to bear crawls, while partner 2 is in the tall push-up position, hitting opposite hand to opposite knee, meeting in the middle and alternating sides. It's also important to remember that partner workouts should be enjoyable. Make sure to take breaks when needed, but also push each other a bit further so that you can reach those goals faster. By partnering up and challenging yourself with partner exercises, you'll find that it's easier than ever to stay on track and to reach your fitness goals. When it comes to partner workouts, make the most out of your time together. Here are the 3 major takeaways when doing partner workouts. First, make sure both partners understand the exercises and any necessary equipment that is needed before getting started. This will help everyone stay safe during the workouts and ensure that you're both on the same page when it comes to the expectations. Second, set realistic goals for yourself and your partner. This will help you stay motivated and accountable when things get tough, like getting up in the morning to get your workout done. And third, make sure to take breaks when needed and strive to push each other a bit further than you would if working out alone. This will help you reach your goals faster. And here's a little side note. It's important to know your partner's limits. If you push them too far, you might be sleeping on the couch for a few nights, if you know what I mean. And above all, make sure you just have fun working out together. So there you have it. Partner workouts are a great way to make time for fitness in our busy lifestyles. With a simple you go, I go, each one of you can double the work in half the time, making an efficient way for reaching your goals. By using these exercises, quick tips, and setting realistic goals while taking breaks when needed, working out with someone else will help keep you stay accountable and motivated while having fun at the same time. So why not give partner exercises a try? You may be surprised by how much more enjoyable exercising becomes when shared with someone else.